How great is our stand. How sing with me, and how great is our God. And all will see how great is our God. How great.
This is Rev Michelle Hopkins.
This is an incredible story. Hundreds of birds falling dead from the sky in Nokesville, Virginia yesterday.
You can imagine everyone out there is wondering what happened as wildlife experts are starting to investigate.
They just fell from the sky. That is strange.
About 100 birds dead on the road, found Thursday afternoon. Most of them were picked up. A handful still remain.
This is Rev Michelle Hopkins. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.
Sing with me, and all will see my heart trembles at his voice. How great is our God.